Hi, this is Dr. Man. Today I'm going to talk about erectile dysfunction and the Chinese medicine treatment. Next slide. So for the cause of erectile dysfunction, there's mainly 5 reasons. Number 1 is nervous system issues. So the nerve connections weakness can cause the problem with erectile. And the cardiovascular disease, that's a motor center. So no matter how your hormones and nervous connections going well, if you don't have a motor to pump the blood into your penis, the erection will make the erection impossible. Number 3 is endocrine disorders. That's the motivation part of the erection. If you don't have the hormones, it's very hard for you to have a quality erection. Psychological stress is a major part of it, but those stress, once relieved, it will be very easily to restore the erection. Alcohol and drug abuses, long-term use of alcohol damage the nerve, damage the heart, damage the endocrine system. Therefore, it causes the erection problem. And certain drugs like hypertension medications, those recreational drugs can decrease the libido and erection. Next slide. So for the quality erection, there need 3 portions in your system to function well. Number 1 is a control center, that's a nervous system. So the communication between your brain and your reproductive system and your penis is very important. Number 2 is a motor center, that's the connection between your heart and the penis to make the blood pump into the penis to get the erection. Number 3 is a hormonal, we call that the motivation, and the hormone that give you the motivation to go to have a good quality erection. Next one. So for the diagnosis of erectile dysfunction is very easy. So the number 1 is lack of sexual drive. Doesn't mean lack of sexual drive will have impotence, but it's one of the symptoms. It should appear on the early stage. Fatigue, but the main diagnosis to be determined whether you have an ED or not is inability to achieve or maintain penile erection sufficient enough to complete satisfaction intercourse. Next one. So the comprehensive acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine treatment should be improved 3 parts. 1 is a control center. So to stimulate the control center, we use 20 Cong to raise up the qi up. And bijian almost like an image of the penis. If you poke on it, they work on the penis very well. And the Ring 24, that's on the Ring channel, direct connect to the reproductive system. Then the motor center, so you have to really to strengthen your heart to have a good quality erection. That means cardiovascular system, we use P6, heart 7, and UB15, that's heart true point, back true point. And the motivational center, that's hormone system. We use the 妇科环槽. That to woman is a 妇科环槽, to men is almost like a testicle and penis. And image points of penis, and ring 6, and 子宫, that in men is almost like a testicle image, and kidney 6 and 3. Next one. For the herbal medicines, same thing, the principle will be same as acupuncture. Is that you use 补阳还五汤 to fix the control center. You use 四逆汤 to strengthen the motor center. You use 五子衍宗丸 to improve the motivational center. Next one. As far as you follow the treatment plan, 98% of patients should recover about 70% in a month. The other 30% of recovery usually takes about 3 to 6 months.
Hyvä.
And I want to thank you. And our clinic is specialized in acupuncture urology. We treat infertility, impotence, prostatitis, and male productive system issues. And if you need an appointment, please give us a call at 206-440-1634. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.